I'm going to cook 2 pork steaks on the microwave. These are without bone, and each steak has approximately 80 grams. So the package has 10 steaks, so I'm going to cook 2 of them, so 80 grams each. So I'm going to put this on medium power. I'm not going to use any butter, but you can put butter on top. So I'm going to use half the power. This is a 800 watt microwave. You need to compensate if yours is different. And I'm going to give it 6 minutes. 6 minutes at 400 watts. Oh. All right, and then I'll see how it goes. Okay, so it's ready. And as you can see, it's perfectly cooked inside, and it still keeps the moisture. So it doesn't work if you put 3 minutes at maximum power. It's better to use a medium cooking power on the microwave. So use 30% or 50%. And yeah, it's ready to eat. I'm going to use a mix of pepper with salt and mustard. And yeah, but you can season it however you want. And there you go, some quick and tasty food, and healthy.